Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at Nvidia stock, and we'll then also take a look at AMD, SMCI, ARM, Broadcom, and Micron. So we had a sell-off day today, losing $118. More in depth I also talked about in the morning and over the weekend as well, why this 118 losing this level will give us a crash, even though there were a lot of calls sitting on the upside, and that's something I talked about over the weekend. However, price action was would have to confirm a lot of upside. That is, right now I'm on the hourly interval. We would have had to see a lot of strong close above 122. Then only things would have started to look good in benefit of Nvidia, because not just 118, we were also overall, if I show you my tool, we were overall in the bearish structure as well. We lost the structure right at this level of 122. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. That helps in making all these decisions ahead of time. The weight was to the downside, 118, losing that, losing 20 and 50 days moving average both is just a downside game. And we got that. We are very close to our, well, in the post market, you can see right now at the time of doing this video. By the time the video will be out, might be a little bit, um, around the post market only. But right now, when I'm doing it, it's $106 already in the post market, which means we are already very close to our level of 106 and 30 cents. Right over there, the level that I talked about, the direction to watch once we lose 180. Now, I took this opportunity to buy some Nvidia ETF, covered call ETF, in my dividend investing channel. A video will be coming out on, I just didn't buy in Nvidia, I bought in other indices as well. And this is what again, more on that I'll talk about on this channel, Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel. Link to this channel is in the description of this video. And I bought into multiple ETFs today because I had some cash on the side. I sold some things before, right? And this is for this day, I had that cash sitting so that I can buy into market again. I'll do videos there. Link to this channel is in the description below. As I mentioned, subscribe here as well if you want to follow along. And that's that. All right. So coming back here now, yeah, Nvidia is plummeting. Let's go to the hourly interval real quick. Yeah, it's right at that hour level, guys. In the post market, it touched down right over there, right 106 and 24 cents area. What for tomorrow, guys? It looks really bad, Nvidia, right now, the way it has sold off. Let's say if any rebound has to come, what is the level to watch for that? That is 109 and 42 cents. If Nvidia can somehow tomorrow get above it, then some rebound can come. Again, it will just be a rebound, nothing more than that. It's not going to make Nvidia bullish structure, it's just going to be a rebound. And if we continue to lose, unfortunately, 106 or even reject at 109 and 38 cents, it opens up the door to bearish plays and downside. And if, as I said, lose 106, then 102 and 53 cents is the next level that we may be making our way down to. So yes, Nvidia is very weak right now and it's selling off. Now, something I have also mentioned to you on the weekly interval, I'm still interested to see this zone, $106 to $97. If Nvidia can somehow maintain itself in this zone, the full on break on Nvidia will be below $97. If Nvidia loses that, like $97 with definitely 50 weeks moving average, that's where we have a huge problem, right? Otherwise, let's see if Nvidia but we'll have to see consolidation here, stabilization on the daily interval, some pivots form down there if that level has to hold 97 area, like things like these pivots, what I called out back then when we were forming bullish plays, right? But anyways, it is bearish, and I gave you the levels for potential rebounds and or rejections, but that's the level to watch on the hourly interval that I provided you. And unfortunately, if we continue to break, well, we are in the post market already below our level, significant level. Yeah, you can see this thing is just not stopping. It says I can't wait to fall. So it's still falling, guys, down there. But anyways, that's your Nvidia. Unfortunately, things are red and not looking good. Structure on this broke already 3 days ago, and now we're just seeing a downside. So that's that. All right, let's take a look at AMD now. So AMD, No surprise, once we lost this level of 145, that was the level. Structure on this became red many days ago, actually last week, right over here. And since then, you can see we just have been going up. Again, my tools mark these structures automatically for you. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. Now, what from here? Well, guys, unfortunately, it's overall in a downward structure. Any rebound, well, these are the levels of rejection right now, 141 and even underneath of 20 days moving average. Any rebound, unless I start to see pivots, intraday can just stay weak and we are in the downtrend. Yeah, on hourly interval, any rebound until 141 will just be a rebound, so it's still negative, and yeah, it's in the downward structure, so it's bearish. SMCI, so SMCI, funny enough, this thing is technically still in the bearish structure, trying to a little bit stabilize, but it's still in the bearish structure, guys. As long as it's below 479 area, it's still in the bearish structure, this zone. So yeah, let's see if it consolidates, whatnot, but it's not in a bullish structure. And on the intraday, yeah, it's still selling off at that higher supply zone there. Yeah, no, for intraday you can watch a couple of levels here, and this level, I would say this zone though, like 430 and below, like 436 to 430 below, is a negative play on this. Or if it can somehow still hold 430 and 436, thus keeping this pretty much the pivot, if it can hold it, then there is some potential room for it. But yeah, this would be the trend line you will follow for that. All right, wow, it looks crooked on the daily interval. I'm just gonna get rid of it. You got the idea, right, where that trend line is. So yeah, that's that. SMCI. ARM, unfortunately, yeah, guys, gave up 20 days moving average. Right now, I'm not seeing a bullish structure. Actually, at this point, this becomes an area of resistance, 126 and 34 cents. It's quite a deep break with the break of 20 days moving average. If we stay below 126 and 25 cents, it's just a downside continuation, right? So after such a sell-off, next day some rebounds are possible, but don't bet too much on that rebound as well. Yeah, this is still the level, 126 and 34 cents. Below this, we are still negative zone. Above this, some rebound is possible, but that would be nothing more than that. Just a rebound though, not bullish. Right now, it's bearish. Broadcom. Broadcom continues lower as well, and we lost 20-50 days. This is the resistance zone now, 156 and 49 cents. It tried to do some rebounds, but eventually gave up and continues to give up. So yeah, continue to watch the levels to the downside. This is not looking good. And if I go to the hourly interval, yep, kept rejecting it underneath of 200 hours moving average. And today's sell-off is a bad sell-off. Yeah, staying below 156 and 46 cents is just bearish. $150 level is the next level you are watching. Let's see if some rebound comes over there, but that will be the level. If any rebound has to come, that will be from 150, but intraday rebound only if that ever happens. And getting above 153.93 cents may give some upside, like 156, but nothing more than that. 156 is still a structural resistance right now on Broadcom. If we close strong, close to here, then we can see some other side, otherwise no. And then we have Micron, guys, the last stock for this video. No surprise, this thing has been bearish for quite some time now again. So if I turn on this indicator, and this one, we became bullish here in the structure, we got those upside. Then we became bearish, we got the bearish side. Again, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. And yeah, right now I'm not seeing any good sign of upside, and yeah, watch the levels to the downside. Anything below, even right now, 93 and 46 cents is just bearish on this thing. Yeah, that's the structural resistance on this. Alright, well guys, that's it for this video. And as I said, don't forget to check out my dividend investing channel as well. Videos will be coming out on this today. And also Links to my tools are in the description below. With that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.